In this lecture, we're going to explore another dimension of agile project management, agile in remote teams. With so many teams working from different locations, the principles of agile must adapt to ensure collaboration, productivity, and communication in virtual environments. How do we keep things running smoothly when the team isn't in the same room? That is what we will explore together. In this lecture, you will learn best practices for managing distributed agile teams, explore tools and strategies for productivity and communication in remote settings. Working remotely introduces specific challenges, communication gaps. Without face to face interaction, misunderstandings can occur more often. As a result, communication gaps can occur. Time zone differences. Coordinating schedules can be tricky when team members are spread across the globe. Isolation. Remote work can make team members feel disconnected. Monitoring progress. Managers may struggle to ensure tasks are on track without micromanaging. Let's look at how to overcome these challenges. Use video calls for daily stand ups and sprint reviews to maintain personal connections. Encourage asynchronous communication for team members in different time zones through chat platforms like Slack. Use overlapping hours for real time collaboration. Document decisions and tasks in shared tools so everyone is informed regardless of time zone. Celebrate milestones, even virtually, with small celebrations like e-cards or team calls. Regular check-in to ensure everyone feels included and supported. Use agile tools like Jira, Trello, or Asana DevOps to create a visible board for tasks. Encourage self-reporting during stand-ups to avoid micromanagement. Key tools for remote agile teams include video conferencing, Zoom or Microsoft Teams for face-to-face interaction, Miro or Moral for brainstorming and visual workflows. Task management tools, Jira, Asana, or Trello to track progress. You can ensure productivity by following these strategies. Do not measure productivity by the number of hours someone spends at their desk. Instead, evaluate deliverables and the quality of work completed. This shift encourages employees to prioritize outcomes over effort and reduces unnecessary stress. Burnout is a real risk, especially in remote work environments where the lines between home and office blur. Remind your team to take short, regular breaks to recharge. A quick walk, a meal away from the screen, or even a few minutes of stretching can boost focus and creativity. Set aside time for regular retrospectives to evaluate your team's remote work setup. Discuss what's working, what's not, and what changes could improve productivity and satisfaction. This ongoing feedback loop helps refine processes and keeps the team aligned. Imagine an orchestra practicing over Zoom. Each musician plays their part in isolation, but the conductor ensures everyone stays in sync. The musicians rely on clear instruction, trust in each other, and tools to aid the overall harmony. Remote agile teams, like an orchestra over Zoom, succeed when communication, tools, and collaboration are finely tuned. Choose a virtual team project where you've worked on or imagine one. Write a short plan outlining how you would apply agile principles and tools to manage that team effectively. Highlight how you would address common remote challenges. Agile is adaptable, and its principles can thrive in remote settings when combined with right practices and tools. Share one innovative tool or strategy you have discussed or used for remote collaboration. Let's discuss it in the comment section. This marks the end of this lecture here.